4 big onions chopped really thin, 700 to 800 grams of chicken breast, 5 tablespoons of canola oil, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of grenadine molasses, chili, and 2 big teaspoons of sumac, and 4 big sage bread. So first I'm going to put 2 big tablespoons of canola oil on the chicken. Add salt and pepper, 7 spices you can put, or normal pepper or black pepper, and put them in a baking tray. I'll put them in the oven until they're cooked and golden brown. Okay, now I'm going to cook the onions. I'll put it on medium to high heat. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of canola oil and cook the onions. So the onion is almost ready here. It has caramelized and that looks fantastic. So the chicken is now cooked. You can see it's kind of golden brown. I'm gonna start cutting it into very small pieces. Now that I've cut the chicken, I'm going to add it to the onions. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sumac, 2 tablespoons of molasses, half teaspoon of red pepper, chili pepper, or if you like you can put paprika, salt and pepper. Mix all of them. Okay, so now the chicken is ready for the sandwiches. This is the sage bread or the مرقوق. I'm going to put the onion and the chicken. And then wrap it to create the perfect sandwich. Then I'm gonna put it in the toaster. صحتين.